This chicken had his head half tore off. We have since chewed the chicken's head back on. Tell us, how do you feel, chicken, with a new head? No, I want the chicken to tell us. That was close. That's exactly what I wanted to hear from the chicken.
I mean, I would trade a hen for another hen or something to put that in my blue barn.
Stop shaking your head. Stop it.
Because he's pretty. I like how he's like dusty.
Do you have a dusty?
Not a hen?
No. Our hens are.
What?
Got a video going. You gotta start trading chickens.
Chicken trade.
I'll trade you 2 wings for a thigh.
If y'all ever have anything, I'll trade.
Okay, Monday afternoon, they brought me this emergency rooster who had his head half chopped off. Just his comb, actually. But I'll take credit for sewing his head because stop shaking it! Anyway, it's been off since Friday, but we've put a local block in there, cleaned it up as best I could, and then sutured it back down. It's 50-50, Mom. I'm not so sure how well it's going to work, but we tried. If nothing else, it'll make a really good biological bandage while it's healing. So you can get pictures of him now and put on Match, so that way when they, they never look like they're real dating pictures. Sorry to go there.
It looks good.
Yeah, if you quit shaking it, it'd be better. Stop it. I'm going to tie your head down. Exactly. Don't be talking to me that. That's not nice. That's chicken bad language. You watch your mouth out with chlorhexidine. Peacock!
Give him the other profile picture.
Got some picture of me in the back probably, man. Chicken plastic surgery. It might work.
Yeah, it looks like it's staying pretty good.
So he shakes his head. Stop it! I will thump you.